Boom! Welcome back, folks, to another Real Crypto Talk. Today is June 17th, 2021. Yes, it is your boy James R. Davis Sr. So let's jump straight into the news headlines. U.S. crypto exchange Kraken IM public listing in 2022. But before we do this, the market cap is sitting at $1.6 trillion. BTC dominance has dropped to 45.3%. Ethereum 17.3%. Let's look at the top 24-hour gainers. XFin Network is up. Let's get this out the way. It's up 29.33%. Phantom is up 13.01%. Waves is up 12.41%. Quant QNT is up 11.69%. Theta Fuel, T Fuel, is up 10%. Cosmos is up 8%. Theta is up 8%. Definitely got a bag of each and every one of these, with the exception of this one and this one myself. Do your own research, folks. Make sure you do that. What's on sale? Shiba Inu is down 8.14%. UMA is down 3%, 3.83%. Ethereum is down 2.40%. Crypto.com is down 1.94%. Just want to shed some light on Crypto.com. Very, very, very awesome exchange. The link is below if you want to get easy access to some cryptocurrencies. But one of the reasons why I want to highlight them is because there are certain banks out here that's blocking it. It's crazy, man. I've been doing business with these guys automatically for a couple of years, and all of a sudden, I noticed that I hadn't had any transaction on that card, crypto, and come to find out they blocked it. So I was on the phone with the bank the other day, and that's exactly what they did. So, and I do know that Bank of America did that a couple of years ago. I'm not sure if they still got it banned or not. But I think it's just insane that banks don't allow people to buy cryptocurrencies, man. It's crazy, especially with all the different changes and regulations and the OCC decision to let the banks, do what they want to do. It's just crazy, man, folks. It's just the control. I mean, the length. If you would think about it, I mean, they would make millions of dollars on transactions. So why would you block someone from buying cryptocurrencies? It's just insane to me. Anyway, ICP is down 1.94%. Just wanted to let you guys know that. So just beware of that. Decreed is down 1.79%. Polygon, better known as Matic, is down 2.55%. That's definitely a steal. All of these pretty much are a steal for the day. So back to the headlines. U.S. crypto exchange Kraken eyeing a public listing in 2022. U.S. Republican Party election arm to accept cryptocurrency donations. Bitcoin's price edges higher as Fed inflation meeting sends DXY to a 2-month high. Over 2 million adults in the UK now hold crypto, FCA survey finds. Very interesting. Scammers mail out fake hardware wallets to victims of Ledger data breach. And this is one of the reasons why I wanted to, I gotta, you know what? I gotta get this information out there on a daily basis, because it's so many scams out here, guys. It's just it's insane, man. And I'm just gonna do my part. I'm just gonna do my part as a servant to just provide free information, valuable information, informed, real-time information, timely information. At least, I mean, cryptocurrency, guys, space, things change so quickly. You never think you'll never get to a point where you know it all. Trust me. It's always something developing. That's what makes this space so exciting, man. And I spent a whole lot of time reading, studying, and really enveloping myself into this information. And it's just I'm just like, man, you know what? I got to keep sharing this every day. I created my own channel, by the way, Blockchain James. It is up and live and running. Got to do some editing with some videos, or just adding from now on. So this video will be on both channels as I brand that channel out, Blockchain James, folks, because stuff like this, man, you got to be careful out there, folks. So definitely make sure that you're clicking on proper links. Make sure that you're getting the email from the actual companies. It's crazy, folks. Be careful. Hong Kong brokerage FUTU halts crypto futures over regulatory issues. See this hand? It's just a prime example of how people in power they are terrified right now. They're terrified of what's happening right before their eyes, and they're trying to do whatever that they can to one last ditch of a chance to try to try to regulate some things and stop some things, but they can't stop Bitcoin. They can regulate it, tax it, but they can't stop it at all. So South Korean crypto exchanges banned from handling coins they issued themselves. Interesting. Flexa, AMP cryptocurrency hits new highs on Coinbase listing, up 17,000%. I'm sorry, 1,700% in 2021. AMP. Yep. Millionaire whales gobble up 90,000 Bitcoin over the last 29 days. Guys, do not sell your Bitcoin for several reasons. For several reasons, especially for tax implications. And I mean, I can't get into a lot. But anyway, don't sell your Bitcoin, guys. Get educated in this space on how you how you can leverage your Bitcoin, folks. All right. World Bank refuses El Salvador's request for help in the BTC transition. You know, that's insane. Sin Futures raises 1.4 million for derivatives. DEX supporting anything with a price feed. 14 million for derivatives. DEX supporting anything with a price feed. Thailand's Xspring Capital raises 225 million to build integrated financial marketplace. I have nothing. In prison, John McAfee claims his crypto fortune is gone. Wow. I don't believe that. Indonesia's central bank marshals staff to enforce crypto payments ban. Pantera CEO, crypto market panic is subsiding. Now the time, now is the time to buy. That's what the OGs are realizing. We know what's going on. We get it. We get it. CNN selling historical news moments as NFTs. Good news, bad news. Good news, bad news. Good news, bad news. Exploding news, bad news. Right? It's crazy. It's crazy. This industry will have you emotionally everywhere. That's why you got to be contained emotionally when you are in cryptocurrencies, especially if you're gonna do like I've done these past 4 years. I mean, I've just my whole life has been cryptocurrencies because it has absolutely changed my life for sure. And this is it's fun. I feel like I'm in high school, man, learning all these different things. But you know, mainly in this transition of wealth, of monetary system, of monetary policy, of disruptions of banking systems. And you know what, it doesn't even have to disrupt the banking system. If they just understand, and they understand, they get it, they're smart people. We're going to see how this thing is going to all unfold. All I know is this: Bitcoin can't be stopped. And cryptocurrency, there are a lot of cryptocurrencies out here that's solving problems that's going to be the Googles and the Apples of the world. And you just got to know exactly what you're doing. And the only way you're going to know what you're doing is if You get educated. SEC opens to comments on whether to approve Van Eck Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin price falls after Fed shifts interest rate hikes forward amid inflation fears. I've been talking about this for a while. A lot of people, I've been talking to a lot of people lately, and they're saying, bro, you were right. And it's not even about me being right, guys. I'm not trying to be right. I'm just trying to inform. I want to inform people, man. And the bottom line is this: the wells are accumulating because they understand that these guys are purposely devaluing our monetary system, the dollar, the United States dollar. And it's interesting because somebody made a point the other day that it literally can run side by side. It doesn't have to crash. It doesn't have to, but when you start spiking up interest rates and inflation 5% last month, this past month, 5%. Look at the numbers. And this is people's faces right here. This is literally people's faces right here when they start looking at these CPI numbers for this month. You know, it's a real situation, guys. I want you guys to understand that. So uh, now people are starting to see this in the headlines, and people are like, "Dude, you were right." I'm like, I know it, man. Because it's and again, it's not about me being right. It's about us informing people that the government, the monetary system, they're flat out just fucking it. They're fucking the American people, and they're not telling the American people. Instead, they're creating fear. Meanwhile, they're doing this. Look at it. Read it. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is all in the news, but people don't read. They're too fucking stuck to their phones to even try to understand what's going on. And when things happen in this country, people are going to be shocked. Anyway, let's keep it moving. I got 3 minutes. Mark Cuban hit by apparent DeFi rug pull, quote unquote. He just said, look, you live and you learn. Look at his face, right? The bottom has fallen out of Titan, part of a multi-chain, partial collateralized, algorithmic stablecoin ecosystem from Iron Finance. A billionaire DeFi investor, Mark Cuban's wallet balance may have fallen with it. The price of Titan fell to zero, prompting Iron Finance to call for all holders to withdraw liquidity from the pools after being hit by what it called a bank run. Decrypt has reached out to Iron Finance for comment. Cuban was one of those liquidity providers on QuickSwap, a decentralized exchange. He announced his involvement June 13, tweeting, "Crypto businesses make more sense than you. Crypto businesses make more sense than you think, and valuing tokens is easier and makes more sense than you think." 3 days later, that investment makes less sense, responding to a suggestion that this was a rug pull. When founders abandoned the project after cashing out, Cuban responded, "I got hit like everybody else. Crazy part is I got out. Thought they were increasing their total value locked enough, then bam." You see? So then the quote, "You live and you learn." So, I mean, guys, once again, you really got to be careful. You got to be educated in this space. And danger that U.S. regulators get crypto wrong. Coinbase founder, because once again, the U.S. regulators, man, their jobs are being threatened, their careers are being threatened, their wealth is being threatened, and a lot of people don't want to really adopt. So you're going to see a lot of this FUD news, headline stuff. But folks, don't let these folks run you guys out of the market, because I promise you they're accumulating. We're seeing it all in the metrics, and the bottom line is the bottom line. All right. So I love you guys, man. Talk to y'all soon. This is your boy James R. Davis Sr., Blockchain James, coming to you with the real crypto talk. Once again, make sure you like and subscribe, turn on the post notification. Please share with your friends, folks. We are about to awaken folk up because it's getting serious. Talk to y'all soon. Peace.